The Center for Science Communication and Public Engagement is a new center led out of the Wiess School of Natural Sciences, which aims to train scientists, healthcare professionals, and other people working in the scientific field how to engage with the public and foster an open dialogue informed by accurate and compelling information.
It doesn't really matter what you know unless you're also able to communicate it. And so it's really important, especially with our STEM students, with our science and our natural sciences students, that they not only learn the basis of the science that they're studying, but they also learn how to teach and explain it to others and how to integrate that kind of communication into their daily lives so that whichever field they go into, they're able to maintain that level of communication about science and what it means for people both inside their field and outside their field. And at this time and place in history, it's really important that we're able to communicate science to a whole variety of different audiences. That is the skill that's actually most likely to be able to help them get a job and to help them thrive in the world as it changes with AI and with upcoming developments in science and in communication. And so we really want to give our natural sciences students that basis, that understanding of key principles of science communication in addition to their science degrees.
The center will be led by its inaugural director, Scott Solomon. Scott is an award-winning teacher and a renowned public science communicator and author and a scholar of evolutionary biology. He's passionate about this topic, and under his direction, the center is going to have a huge impact on our faculty and our students and the broader civic discourse.
The goal for the Scope Center is to be a hub for science communication and public engagement. Part of our mission is to help train students who are getting STEM degrees to be able to communicate effectively about science with general audiences. So as part of that effort, we have new courses that we'll be offering in science communication, and we're also creating a certificate program in public science communication for students that are interested in doing a little bit of a deeper dive into science communication and public engagement. The Scope Center is for everyone. We're doing events and workshops and activities for the campus community, including students, faculty, and staff, and also for the broader community, including folks in Houston and beyond.